Farragut Road, Brooklyn, New York. We're doing this lesson on Farragut Road, Brooklyn, New York. Driving lesson in Farragut Road, driving school in Farragut. If you live around those area, you need Pierre driving school to help you. We can definitely help. We're gonna do a few left and right here and see where we go from there. All right. Anything you guys want us to cover in particular, put it in the comment below. Until then, we're gonna continue to drive here. All right, at this channel here, we all everything about driving. We make sure that we show you as much as we can show you while you're watching these videos, and the rest we help you to put them together if you're living in the New York area. You can check pierredriving.com. When you're driving, you must follow all the rules thereof while you're training, as well as you would on your driving lesson. Okay, I'm saying my light is blinking here, but it's in my favor. Okay, it's above 20, it's in my favor. I will clear it with no issue. Okay, all right. Even although the street is wide, at the light here, we're making a right turn. Cover the side, get on the right side. It's a little bit busy area, but we can handle it. I'm getting a little bit hot here. Take this scarf off. We have everything in mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn and fall to the closest right lane. We're not gonna go in the bus lane, we fall to the middle. Okay, we continue to go here. At the traffic light coming up, we're gonna make a left turn onto Farragut Road. The wood was shaped kind of funny. Gonna make a left turn here. Verify the shoulder, mirror left, shoulder left, and bring it into the left lane. You see? Good. Now we're going right into back to the Farragut Road, because some wood they kind of come in funny. Then we have to go around them respectively. Mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn and fall right into your lane. Okay, we're going straight across from here. Anything you guys want to cover, put in the comment below. This is Farragut Road, Brooklyn, New York, driving school on Farragut Road, driving lesson on Farragut Road. We cover all the lefts and right. Most of the things that you will be doing your driving training, as well as your road test. Okay, so if you watch these things long enough, then you have a far better understanding than those people who've not been watching those things. Okay, we're all about driving here. We're making sure that you get the best training that you can get one way or another. All right, so if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, you definitely need to do that and hit the notification squad, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Okay, we're all about driving here at this channel. I'm already looking ahead, always forward planning your moves. Is this garbage truck gonna reverse? No, it's not gonna reverse. We continue to go. As you're driving, you're looking far ahead so you can plan all your moves. You do not want to have to make sudden move, especially when you're driving. It's not gonna be coming in your favor while you're doing your road test. Okay, I'm already seeing way farther down the road. Car in front of me should have not been pulling that far off. It's not a good approach for driving. Okay, because you cannot pass that white line in front. You're supposed to be able to, the minute you start losing it, you stop right there. But hey, they drive whatever they wanted to drive until they get in trouble. You guys don't drive this way because you know better. Okay, and doing all this extra, you're still gonna stay in traffic. Okay, keeping it going here. We're on Farragut Road, Brooklyn, New York. Driving lesson is on Farragut this morning. Okay, if you guys want us to cover a particular area for you, let us know in the comment below, because that's where we get most of our video topic coming from, is from what you guys want us to do. This guy hit yours too. I don't know what that person just did. but it's not something funny. Coming up to a red light, covering my brake, so when I come there, it's completely clear. There you go. Forward planning all your moves. It ain't no rush. It ain't no rush. Always forward planning all your moves. All right, folks? It's been here with Pierre Paul Driving School. You're on Farragut Road, Brooklyn, New York. Cover the left and right. Things that they're all for you to do, especially when you're driving, doing your driving lesson training. Okay, if you in the New York area, you want us to help you, put in the comment below, as we can definitely help you here with your driving lesson. Your 5-hour class, we can help you as well. We cover the 5-hour class online wherever you are in the Kings and in the New York area. Anywhere you are, we can help you with the 5-hour class as it's being given virtually. As you go, and pro tip around this with the stop sign coming on the opposite side, you cover your brake. You'll be in so much shock how people driving out here in New York City and Brooklyn. You don't want to be part of that. You know, you're always ahead of your of the other drivers. See how much I'm paying attention here? I'm coming up here washing those things here. When you stop, before fully engage, you verify all mirror. Before you fully engage your accelerator, you verify all mirror, make sure it's clear for you to go. Okay, there's no rush. You stop where you stop losing the first white line, and that's your final stop from there. We have lessons started as early as 6 a.m. in the morning, and as late as 11 p.m. in the night. We are 7 days a week with the driving lessons, and all the transaction can be done online or at the office in person, whichever works for you best. We're on Farragut Road, Brooklyn, New York. All right? Cover those places as well here at Pierre Paul Driving School. Thank you, folks. Been you with Pierre Paul Driving School. Like I always said, anything in particular you want us to cover, put in the comment below. As that's where we get most of our video coming from. It was a pretty straightforward lesson this morning. Okay, it was on Farragut Road, Brooklyn, New York. We're on Farragut and Bedford. There's always a delays on those lights here. You see the hands turn walk, but it's still red. Do not follow the hands, follow the lights, okay? I've seen it, a lot of students get this confused, especially in their road test. They just see the hands, they begin to go, the examiner jump on the brake. What are you doing? The light is red, okay? So do not get yourself falling in that trap. All right, folks, like, share, and subscribe. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. This lesson today was on Farragut Road, Brooklyn, New York. Until then, keep practicing. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye.